Éadaí Tirime.
Lá grianmhar a bhí ann. Chroch mami na Éadaí Dlana suas an líne. Tháinig scamal mhór a gobha. Thosaigh sé a chur báistí.
Cabhraiglim, cabhraiglim.
Chur an bóchal na Éadaí Tirime sa bhardrús. Chur sé na stocaí sa chófra taracán.
Má an búcail. Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cén sort lei a bhí ann. Ceiste dó. Cad a chruch mami an líne. Ceiste trí. Thosaigh sé a chur sneachta. Ceiste cathair. Cór chuir an búcail a chud éideag. Ceiste cúig. Cad a dúirt mami ag an deireadh.
Okay, Éadaí Tirime means dry clothes. Lá grianmhar a bhí ann. It was a sunny day. Chruch mummy na Éadaí. So chruch means mummy hung. Mummy hung na Éadaí, the clothes. Now what type of clothes were they? They were Éadaí glana, so the clean clothes. Suas is up, an líne on the line, on the clothesline. So chruch mummy na Éadaí glana, suas an líne, up on the clothesline. Now, what happened? Tháinig scamal mhóra dubha. So, scamal are clouds. Mhóra dubha are big black clouds. So, big black clouds came. Thosaigh sé ag cur báistí. It started ag cur báistí, raining. And then mummy says, Cabhraiglim, help me, help me. So what did the boy do? Cur on buachail, the boy put the Éadaí Tirime, the dry clothes, sa bhordros. So he put the dry clothes into the wardrobe. Cuir sé, he put na stucky, he put the socks in the cofra taracon. He put the socks into the cofra, the chest of drawers. Cofra taracon. And the mummy says, Ma an buachail, good boy. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, so we can start off by putting our title up the top and our page number up the top. Question 1. Cén sort lei a bhí ann? What sort of lei was it? What sort of day was it? The answer is, of course, a lá grianmhar a bhí ann. It was a sunny day. Ivra do, cad a chruch mummy an líne. What did mummy hang on the líne? What did mummy hang on the line? Chruch sounds a little bit like hook. What did she hook up on it? What did she hang up on it? Chruch mummy hung na Éadaí glana. She hung the clean clothes. Suas up an líne, up on the line. Ivra 3. Thosaigh sé ag cur sneachta. Did it start a chur sneachta? Did it start snowing? Now there's two ways of answering thosaigh. You can answer thosaigh for it did, or near thosaigh for it didn't. So we'll start off by saying near thosaigh sé ag cur sneachta. It didn't start snowing. What did it do? Thosaigh sé ag cur báistí. It actually, thosaigh sé ag cur báistí. It started raining. Ivra cathair. Car chuir an buachail a chuid éideag. Now car chuir, car means where. Chuir is put. Where did the boy, car chuir an buachail, where did the buachail put a chuid éideag? Where did he put his clothes? And the answer is, you start off with the verb, because the verb chur an buachail. The buachail put, the boy put a chuid éideag, his clothes, sa bhordros, into the wardrobe. And ivra cúig, number 5, cad a dúirt mummy ag an deireadh. What did mummy say? Dúirt means say, ag an deireadh at the end. And I put it into speech marks here. Dúirt she. She said. You could say dúirt mummy, or you could say dúirt she. Ma an buachail. Good boy. And that's our answers.